The world needs bees. If we don't have bees, we've got a huge problem.
In the last 12 months, we've had an incursion of varroa mite, which is the world's worst parasite of honeybees. It's now spreading through our region. So we're actually running field days and workshops under the Community Bee Innovation Fund, which we received a grant for.
We have gone over the mechanical means and cultural means of managing varroa mite. This afternoon we're at the club hives and we do a thorough inspection of the hive. So we look at the health of the hive. We show people how to do a varroa mite wash and then what to do when varroa mites are found.
A lot of the things are hands-on and people are afraid to try them on their own, particularly if they're new to beekeeping. One of the big things that we're finding is people don't go through the brood chamber, don't have a look at the brood because they're frightened of the reaction of the bees. So if we can overcome that fear and we get people looking through that brood chamber, then we're going to have a lot healthier bees.
With grants, I think it gave the club a purpose to say, right, okay, as a club, we need to be able to deliver a program that we can ask people to give up part of their time to come in and to learn some new skills. And hopefully they've been able to go away with those skills and be empowered and confident to use them in their own hives.
What we're doing hopefully will be successful. The greatest thing about it is the education of members and the public about varroa mite. I mean, it's a very serious pest, but if you do it properly, you can manage the pest and still keep bees commercially and as an amateur producing products.
I would be lost without my bees. They're a part of our whole family and they're a part of who we are. I'll always love my bees.